Hello, quizzers! Are you looking into creating your own quiz transitions? How about transitions similar to Quiz Blitz, Mouse Quiz, or Dino Quiz? Well, in this video I will show how to achieve your own custom transitions using Canva. Let's go! First, I go to Elements on the left and look up a liquid shape. Once I find the one I like, I click on it to put it on the video. Then I change the color to white. Then I rotate the shape and enlarge it and move it to one side of the screen. I go back to Elements and I add a square shape. I then enlarge it to be just a bit bigger than the canvas. It's hard to tell, but I duplicate the first liquid shape. I then group all three shapes. I center the group, then I add my logo to the very center, and then add it to the group. Then I move the entire shape to the right and go to Animate. We'll be doing a custom animation. Notice I stop halfway, where the logo is in the center. I set the movement style to steady, and adjust the speed as shown. I adjust the entire length of the shape animation to 0.5 seconds. Then I move it to the end of the video. I duplicate the shape and remove the animation. I then animate it to go from the center to the left of the screen. Make sure to not completely move the shape out of the video. Now let's see how it looks when inserted into an existing quiz video. And that's how you create your own custom quiz video transition. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this content. I'll see you guys in the next video.